If you haven't considered aluminium profiles for your LED strip installation, then you are missing out, because our Slim Wide Aluminium Profile is guaranteed to improve your setup. Here's how. The Slim Profile is one of our most popular choices. Some of this is due to the slender proportions of the profile, coming in at just 8.5mm high, hence the name Slim. But crucially, the inner width is 16mm, which means it can be used with any of our AON LED tapes, with the outer width coming in at 18mm. So it doesn't even take up a whole load of space. What it does do though is make your tape installation look really premium and high-end. Even more so when you consider that the profile comes with a frosted diffuser as standard. So even if you're installing your tape where it is out in the open, the tape itself will be diffused and only the glow will be visible. The only thing that you need to bear in mind is that the diffuser does have a transmission rate of 75%. So you'll lose around a quarter of the tape's brightness when it's behind the diffuser. With that said, there is still value in using the profile, even if your tapes are hidden away. And that's because the aluminium profile actually extends the lifespan of your tape by up to 50%. They do this by drawing heat away from your strips, essentially acting as a heat sink and reducing the wear and tear on the tape. And whether you're running a short length for your kitchen or a longer length for the living room or elsewhere, this profile is available in both 1 meter lengths and 2 meter lengths. Now, if you'd like any further information about this Slim Wide Aluminium Profile and how you can use it to get the most out of your tape, you can speak to our team of experts who can put together a bespoke quote for you, including this Slim Profile. All you need to do is give them a call on 0116 321 4120 or send them an email to sales@wled.co.uk. You can also message us on our Facebook and Instagram pages too. Just DM us the word profile and we can have a chat about what you need from your lighting. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.